you guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys all doing? I don't know why I am so tired today, but anyways, I didn't post a video last week in light of everything that has been happening in the world, and out of respect for that I decided not to post this video. In light of everything that has been happening wherever you are in the world, I really hope that you guys are all safe, and yeah, keep going. I think eventually 2020 will just decide to just chill a bit, honestly. I will leave a few links below which you guys can go and check out to help educate you. There's some petitions you can go ahead and sign, because a few things have been happening and there's a few petitions that I've signed myself already. So I will link those down below. You guys can go and check that out and yep, do the right thing. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my first attempt at trying to do my own nails at home. I usually always go to the salon to get my nails done, but obviously lockdown, COVID-19. So I recently went ahead and invested and purchased a few colors in gel polish. If you guys are looking for this as well, I will link my Instagram down below and you can go check out my latest post about where I got these polishes. So I picked up a few colors. This is an illustrated gel polish. Yeah, I bought about 7 colors of this, and then I also went over to Takealot and I bought a top coat, a builder gel and a base gel from Pretty and Polished, but I got it off Takealot as well. So I went and just got all of the basics from what I know. I know you need a top coat, a base coat, the color, and you need a lamp, obviously. So I have a UV lamp, but I know that you can get an LED lamp which cures the gel faster. Let's just jump straight into this video so you guys can see how this entire process went for me.
Okay, let's do this. So as you can see, my nails are not doing good at all. They're weirdly shaped. There is still some gel polish left over, but I have a buffer and a nail file. Then I mostly use this banana file from Essence. It has a rough side and a smoothing side to it. Then I have a cuticle cutter and a normal nail clipper, which I ended up not using at all. Then I had bought these little cuticle pusher sticks things from Essence as well, and a nail cuticle remover pen from Essence. This is really good. It's affordable and it smells really good, but I don't know how it's supposed to work, so I can't really judge it on that. But it does have a little cuticle pusher on it too, which is quite helpful. My camera does not want to focus. Then I have some good old-fashioned cuticle nail oil to finish off with. And then I have my top coat and my base coat, which I got from Pretty and Polished, but I bought it off Takealot. And then my illustrated gel, which I don't know what the name of the color is, but I used this really nice gray this time. So I started off with trying to get the previous gel off my nails. I had little specks of it here and there, so I needed to just clear out my nail because this is from way back when and I just left it to grow out. Then I'm applying that cuticle remover lemony pen thing to my cuticles, and I think I let this sit for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes or so. I can't remember. Then I awkwardly tried to figure out how to hold it with my left hand and do the same thing on my right hand. This was a real mission to do. Okay, then I push back my cuticles because they're nice and soft now. So I push that back and you'll see that the dead skin of your cuticle starts to lift off a bit. Now I'm taking my cuticle cutter and cutting off that dead skin of the cuticle. You want to be really careful because once you cut yourself, like if you cut your live skin, it does not stop bleeding. But you'll be surprised at how much nail bed you actually have after doing this. Then I shaped my nail. I kind of kept my nails naturally round because that's how they grow, but I just made sure that the length and the edges were all smooth. Then just went off camera for for what I don't know. You can see that doing my right hand with my left hand was the reason this ran so long. Okay, so I do not have bonder or pH bond, which basically dehydrates your nail. So I just use D-Germ sanitizer, which is like 70% alcohol, and I'm not gonna lie, it did the job pretty good. So I just put a few squirts on a cotton pad and I wipe my nail off because you want your nail to be completely free of oils so that the polish and the base coat can all stick to it. Then for some reason I went and I buffed over that, which is wrong. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be the other way around. So buff first and then D-Gel. Okay, so base coat, I put very, very thin coats of this. Well, only one coat of it, very thin. And I rounded it around my cuticles and made sure that it did not touch my skin so that when it bakes, it doesn't bake over my skin because then it will obviously peel off easier. Then I baked under the lamp for 2 minutes. Okay, once that was done, do not touch it. It is supposed to be sticky. I did not know that. Now going in with my color, same story, very, very thin coats at a time. Avoid touching the cuticles. You can see that I kind of leave a very small space between my cuticle and where I start. And I try and avoid it touching my skin, and I do use those little cuticle sticks to kind of clean up the edges to make sure that there's no polish on my skin that will bake. I did my thumb first, so I baked for 2 minutes. Then I did the same thing on my other nails. This took weirdly long. And bake for 2 minutes again. So this is the second coat. I did go in with this color for about 3 coats, I think, but I only recorded the first 2 coats. Okay, so that hand is done. I went ahead and did my other hand off camera because that took about 1.5 to 2 hours on its own. Okay, top coat. Very thin coat again over the top, except now I'm brushing the tips of my nail to kind of seal it in so it does not chip fast. Does that even make sense? And bake 2 minutes. So that hand is done with the top coat, and you can see I'm like wiping it and making sure that it's dry. It would not have been fun if it wasn't dry and I just wiped it on the towel. So yeah, that's my nails done. It took about 3.5 hours, and at this point it was 10 p.m. at night.
So that's it. My nails are done. I'm filming this outro about a week afterwards, so it's about a week in. So we're about a week in, and you can see that my nails have actually grown out a bit, which is actually nice because it's nice to know that my nails are growing. I'm quite surprised that they've lasted this long, seeing that I did it myself, but yeah, not bad. I'm kind of proud of myself, and I'm excited to try more colors and more patterns because I also have nail glitter which I want to try. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in these gel colors, please definitely go check out my Instagram and go look for this post over here, and I have all the information over there. And yeah, let's see how long this lasts. If you can go another 3 weeks, that would be great, but I highly doubt that. If you are a nail technician or you're really good at this stuff, please leave any tips and tricks that you have below, or let me know how you think I did below for my first time. With that, I hope you guys have a good weekend ahead and a good week ahead, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.